Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang Nit. So, happy birthday to my Ninang in YT, Ninang Nits TV. So, I'm praying that the Lord will continue to bless you and keep you safe all the time, protect you from any harm and from any accident, from sickness, and so, and for all the scam and negativity. So, patuloy lang na maging good vibes ikaw dyan sa iyong trabaho at sa iyong pag-YT. Patuloy na i-bless ka ng Panginoon sa mga tao na makakasalamuha mo everyday, sa iyong employer, and patuloy na communication sa iyong family dito sa Pilipinas and sa mga friends mo dyan sa Hong Kong. Ayan, so nagpapasalamat ako dahil nakilala kita at hindi lang sa YT, kung hindi sa personal. So, nakilala ka namin, na-share na tayo, kumain, nakapagtawanan, at nakita natin yung mga personal reaction, di ba? Yung mga reaction ng bawat isa. So, thank you so much. At Ninang Nits, hindi ko makalimutan yung isa sa gamot na binigay mo sa akin dyan sa Hong Kong, yung masakit yung tiyan ko, may inubot ka sa akin na Chinese medicine. So, thank you so much kasi you are very caring. Yan, caring and generous people. Yan, so, God bless you. Hope to see you soon. Ayan, madudugtungan pa yung ating bonding, yung ating tawanan, and of course, sana ay makapagkantahan naman tayo, Nax. Ayan, kantahan naman tayo to the max. Ayan, pataasan ng score. Ayan, tayo sa karaoke dito sa Pilipinas one day. So, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. And we're so blessed to have you. God bless you, Ninang. Love you.
Happy birthday.